Hemmenize salam dostlar. Bugün yanvarın 1 2021 yıl. Hemmenize täze ýylyňyzly gutlaýan, siziň hemmenize gowy ýylar dup etýän. Näjeş bu ýylymyz biziň geçen ýyldan has gowy bolar diýip umyt etýän sebäbi bilýäňiz, geçen ýylymyzda onçakly gowy bolmady. Men häzir entegim Miami'de ýerleşýän, integ New York'a ýylyma gitmedim. Berdip aýdyşym ýaly bir aý töwerek galdym, dynjalaýyn diýdim da, diýdim, howa da gowy gülýärler. Soň men Miami'de gelesim gelýän bir ýer bardy, olam neme Everglades National Park diýip bir park bar berde. Berim neme balota yer. Soň bu neme Everglades Park'da men balotalarda krokodillar var, buran pitonlar var, şu ululu yılanlar. Soň şonyaly nemeler var da, bir balotada ýaşaýan haýwanlar zatlar var. Soň häzir biz şu ýerde tura geldim. Häzir şu turada neme aýlanar, ilk başda şu balotaň içine aýlanar, ondan soň krokodil show görür. Soň men size, конечно же, kamerada hemme zady görkezdim. Так что давайте başlayalım. Wow. Bu alligator diýer mi kaýa? Ýene drondaş mı ka? Aşegiz. Oh, it's supposed to be with a group. We can't do individual, or?
One group picture.
Oh, okay.
But with your family, so.
Okay. Yine hazır şu gidecek alligator elimde, suratı düşürüp duralım. Oh, kruta.
That's him thinking I'm the threat, I'm the predator. But more than likely, for that same reason, they'll make an equally explosive move to able to escape. Either way, there'll be some massive explosion of energy. Massive explosion. There it is. Wow. All right, these guys don't do a whole lot of that stuff. They don't do that because almost every gator in this pit has been here long enough to realize that I'm not going to hurt them. Once that kind of settles in, there is no real motivation to make these huge explosive movements they're so famous for. Every time you see a wild alligator or a crocodile making those explosive movements, that is absolutely exhausting for the animal. These guys are ectothermic or cold-blooded. They really only have a handful of those moves in them before their bodies begin to build up with lactic acid, and eventually they can really move. So these guys all know that the worst possible outcome that could ever happen is me sitting on the back over here for like 10 minutes, telling some really bad jokes. It's not worth fighting me all out for the next 15 minutes, then being totally exhausted for the next hour or two, while the lactic acid slowly remetabolizes. It's just not worth the trade-off. What are two things for the alligator? One, it is armor plating, protects them from predators and other alligators during the territorial mating disputes. It also acts as a solar panel. When it gets cold, these guys lay out in the sun with that dark black skin. Sun beats down, heats up that skin, and those scutes are all covered in little blood vessels. The blood will heat up, circulate to the body, increasing the energy and metabolism. Now, what separates alligator wrestling from alligator capture, of course, dangerous stunts do it.
Görüşümü diyalık. Airboat'a bariyaz. Nime prakyeller bilen odat yürüye. Bu paraxot diýýär odatlar. Airboat diýilýär. Ne adamlar ötü. Häzir bir şeyde şu odat paraxotda balota aýlandy. Görýäňizmi prakyelleri? Ene. Lan водитель oturýan ýeri pohodu. kaydı yol çıkıp üstüme topulmasa da veri.
And if I do see anything, regardless if it's a snake, beautiful bird, alligator, I show one side, spin the body from the opposite side. Now, the reason I do it like this is because if everybody goes to
Our very first speed trail. So gather and secure your items. We're about to take off. Everybody, welcome to the beautiful Everglades, also known as the endless river of grass. Right side of the boat.
Крокодил. Офигеть. О май гад.
Alligators' teeth are completely hollow. There's nothing in the middle of their teeth at all. Which means if they bite into something the wrong way, they can actually snap off a tooth. But alligators can regrow their teeth multiple times during their lifetime. anywhere between 4. Right side. On the apple trees. The reason they're known as the pond apple tree is because for 6 months they will produce a fruit that looks like a green apple. But these fruits are actually not edible to us at all, because they do have a toxin in them called narsic, which if you eat the fruit, it can cause seizure-like symptoms.